Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to create a character selector scene. Let's create a new user interface scene and call it Select Character. Save it in Scenes, UI. Let's set our anchor preset to Full Rect. We're going to add a label to the scene. Go ahead and set the theme with the ssb.tress custom theme. Next, duplicate the label. Set the anchor preset to Top Wide. In the text field, type Choose Your Character. Set horizontal alignment to Center. Set auto wrap mode to Word. Rename the first label to Select Character Label. Rename the second label to Name Label. Set the anchor preset to H Center Wide. In the text field, type Bob. Set horizontal alignment to Center. Set vertical alignment to Center as well. Set auto wrap mode to Word. Under Layout, Transform, Position, set Y to 200. Next, let's add a button to the scene. Once again, we'll set the theme with the ssb.tress custom theme. Go ahead and duplicate the button. Rename the first to Choose Character Button and set the anchor preset to H Center Wide. For the text field, type Next dash greater than. Under Layout, Transform, Position, set Y to 240. Rename the second to Confirm Character Button. For the text field, type Confirm. Set the anchor preset to Bottom Wide. Under Layout, Transform, Position, set Y to 290. Now we will need to add a sprite to the scene. Rename it to Characters. Navigate to Assets, Art, Actors, and drag the human characters.png into the texture field. Under Animation, set H-frames to 2. Under Transform Position, set position X to 90, position Y to 128. And for scale, let's set position X to 8 and position Y to 8 as well. Let's add an animation player to the scene and shorten the name to Annie. Lastly, we'll add an audio stream player. Rename it to Whoosh. Go to Assets, Sounds, and drag the whoosh.wave file into the stream property. We're going to create a simple animation for our character's node. Create a new animation called Skew. Set the animation length to 1.6. Scroll out on the timeline so that we can see in increments of 0.4. Okay, let's select our character's node, then in the inspector, under Transform, Skew, key the default value. Next, select 0.4 on the timeline and set the skew value to -8, and then key that frame. Select 0.8 on the timeline, then set the skew value back to 0, and key that frame. Finally, select 1.2 on the timeline and set the skew value to 8, and then key it. Test out the animation, and it should just sway the character back and forth. Let's go ahead and set looping as well as autoplay to true. Make sure your scene looks something like this before we continue. We're going to have to redirect where the play button in the main scene takes us, so that we will choose our character first and then change the scene to level 1. Let's open up our main script and modify the path for our change scene to file function, like so. Simply modify the path so that instead of it taking us to level 1, it'll take us to our select character.tscn instead. Okay, so we set up the scene for our character selector. In the following video, we will write the script.